Welcome back to our series on idioms. In our previous video, we explored the fascinating world of idioms and how they add color and depth to our language. Today, we're continuing our exploration with part 2 of our series, where we'll be delving deeper into the meanings of even more idioms. If you missed our first video, make sure to check out the link for the video in the description below. In this video, we'll be introducing 15 more idioms and their meanings with some interesting examples. Let's start with the idiom rain on someone's parade. This idiom means to spoil someone's plans or ruin their excitement. Example: we had been planning a picnic in the park for weeks, but on the day of the event, it started pouring rain and we had to cancel. The weather really rained on our parade. Next up, let the chips fall where they may. This idiom means to accept the consequences of your actions without trying to control the outcome. Example: I've done my best, so let's let the chips fall where they may. The next idiom is steal someone's thunder. This means to take credit for someone else's ideas, work, or achievements. It can also mean to do something that detracts from someone else's accomplishment, thereby reducing their recognition or praise. Example: don't wear that dress to the wedding, the bride won't like it because you'll be stealing her thunder. Next is a weather idiom: raining cats and dogs. This means it's raining heavily. Example: I'm not leaving the house, it's raining cats and dogs outside. Next idiom is in the same boat. This means to be in the same difficult situation as someone else. Example: I know we're all struggling with the workload, but at least we're all in the same boat. Have you heard of the idiom cost an arm and a leg? This means something is very expensive. Example: I would love to buy that car, but it costs an arm and a leg. Next up, beef up. This idiom means to make something stronger, more powerful, or more impressive. Example: I need to beef up my resume if I want to get a better job. Let's discuss the idiom cut some slack. It is often used to express understanding and empathy towards someone, and to offer them some space and flexibility when they need it. Example: let's cut them some slack and give them an extra week to finish the task. Moving on to when pigs fly. This idiom means that something is impossible. Example: I'll start liking broccoli when pigs fly. Let's spice things up. This idiom means to add some excitement or interest to a situation that has become dull or boring. Example: we've been eating the same meals every week, so I decided to spice things up and try some new recipes. Next idiom is go the extra mile. This idiom means to put in extra effort or work harder than required. Example: if we want to win this contract, we need to go the extra mile and deliver exceptional service. Another interesting idiom, under the weather. This idiom means to feel sick or unwell. Example: I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Next, get off my back. This idiom means to stop bothering or pressuring someone. Example: I'll finish the report when I can, so get off my back. Let's talk about this idiom, grin and bear it. This means to endure a difficult situation with patience. Example: I know this is a tough job, but we just have to grin and bear it until it's over. Last but no least, give something a shot. This means to try something, to attempt or to take a chance on something. Example: give it a shot and try using these idioms in your everyday conversations. As we have seen, idiomatic expressions are a unique feature of language that add color and flavor to our conversations. They can be confusing at times, but once we understand their meanings, they can be a powerful tool for effective communication. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we hope to see you again soon for more exciting content.